Car Care, Environmental Protection Guide. Whether your car is a shiny new model or a reliable old friend, it deserves a little extra love and care to shield it from the elements. Environmental damage can take a toll on your vehicle's appearance and performance. We'll explore simple and effective ways to protect your car from nature's wear and tear. Regular washes. Start with the basics. Give your car a good wash regularly. Use a mild car wash soap, a sponge, and clean water. Washing removes dirt, bird droppings, and other pollutants that can harm your car's paint. Wax on, shine on. Think of car wax as sunscreen for your vehicle. Applying a coat of wax creates a protective barrier that shields your car's paint from the sun's harmful UV rays, acid rain, and other environmental contaminants. Aim to wax your car every few months for optimal protection and a glossy finish. Park smart. Choosing the right parking spot can make a big difference. Whenever possible, park your car in a garage or a shaded area to minimize exposure to direct sunlight. This simple step can prevent sun damage and help maintain your car's vibrant color. Invest in a car cover. If a garage isn't an option, consider using a car cover. A good quality car cover acts as a shield against rain, dust, bird droppings, and tree sap. It's like a cozy blanket for your car, keeping it protected even when you can't be there. Mind your fluids. Ensure that your car's fluid levels are topped up, especially windshield washer fluid. Clean windows not only improve visibility but also prevent damage from dirt and debris that can scratch the glass. Regular inspections. Make it a habit to inspect your car regularly. Check for any chips, scratches, or signs of rust. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent them from worsening and causing more significant damage. Tire TLC. Don't forget about your tires. They're the only thing between your car and the road. Keep them properly inflated and rotated, as this not only ensures safety but also contributes to better fuel efficiency and longevity. Avoid overhanging trees. Parking under a shady tree might seem ideal, but falling leaves, sap, and bird droppings can harm your car's finish. If possible, choose a parking spot away from overhanging branches. By adopting these simple habits, you can shield your car from environmental damage and keep it looking and running its best. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preserving your vehicle's beauty and performance.